Woo team is back with a short drama. Woo. Do you remember our names? If you don't remember, don't worry, cause we won't be using them for the whole drama.
In the drama, call me the Sky Spirit.
And call me Sorry Spirit.
Just call me Smoke.
My role is a secret.
I'm human. My role is human as well.
Are you curious about my role? I'm just narrator or storyteller, you may say. Now, please enjoy our drama. In the very first period of agriculture, humans were only cultivating plants and livestock. One day, on the field, human has done all the necessary duties. Feeling naked, he said to himself,
I'm exhausted now. How can I just keep living like this until I pass away? Hi there. Are you okay? Who are you? What are you doing here?
Calm down, listen, I'm not stranger. Normally, when you burn something like when you cook, you can see me flying in the air. And that proves that I have never harmed anyone. So you don't need to be the person.
Huh?
Anyway, I came here to help. I heard that you want to live a life without such high level. And the only way to make that dream come true is to become rich. Am I wrong?
Rich? But how? How can a sheep farmer like me become rich without magic?
It's not so difficult, my friend. First, you need fossil fuel. You find them, exploit them, and you get the energy of nature. With that, you invent motor vehicle. You build thermal power station. It wouldn't be long until you get rich doing so.
He's not wrong. But doing as he said means harming Mother Nature. Right, I will conservative enough. It's time for me to change. When I get richer, I will stop doing harmful things. They are renewable after all. Fine, I accept your proposal.
Smoke and human had always been together since that day. Why humans keep building factories and producing goods? Smoke was...
That's right, my dear human. Just keep doing that.
A short time later, more factories were built as more natural resources were exploited. Never forgot to take advantage of the poor state of the environment. Smoke absorbed all the gas emissions in the air and spread them all over the place.
It's not enough.
My friend, I got a lot of money from what you said. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh, and it's getting pretty hot these days. But with all the air conditioner that you just given me, that should be okay. And by selling them to those who need them, I will get even richer. But recently, I actually need more money for my factories to run effectively.
What coincidence! I came here just to show you a way to get more money. You should build more factories instead of just stopping here.
But we don't have any more vacant land.
Can make them vegan, my friend. The land is broad. That is a potential you cannot miss to exploit. That is the gift Mother Nature has given to you.
You mean deforesting?
Yes, don't worry. Trees can be planted later after you get what you want. And don't feel guilty. You're just borrowing trees. You know that.
You're right. If that could make me even richer, I'll do that right now.
And humans started cutting down trees. More factories were built. Smoke gradually grew up past their pollution, became more and more serious. Years later, having seen everything that human had done, the sky spirit was very angry. He was going down from heaven to talk to human when he met the sky spirit. And the two spirits made their way to human's place together.
Well, well, well. Your lovely factory and daily activity. Well, well, well. Your lovely factory and daily activity are producing too much exhaust gases. So much that I have been sick badly. That the air is full of them. And thanks to them, I have been sick so badly that I even shrank.
You're right. You got even shorter than last time.
What? Oh my God. And why it does? It means the air is full of them. It means the air is so polluted, which is something that would never have happened if you hadn't cut out all the forests on this planet.
Not just the air, your deforestation took away the hope of many plant and animal species. Some of them just couldn't get adapted and are on the verge of extinction. Oh, and your genius inventions actually prevented you from recognizing that the temperature is rising uncontrollably, that the poles are melting, the sea level is rising, and that puts every creature on Earth at the risk of being swept away by catastrophic natural disaster.
No, it can't be. Mother Nature won't be angry with me. That day will never come.
Yes, it will, and it is coming. We have been trying to warn you, but it affect your health negatively. But you pretended to not know anything bad is happening.
You were blindfolded by your ambitions, by your money. Nothing good has come to you since the day you believed that money is everything. Now with all of your money, I wonder what can you buy to protect you from the consequences of what you've done.
Oh no! What have I done to myself?
Get ready to die, stupid human!
Stand behind me.
Sky Spirit, Sky Spirit, look at yourself. What happened to your plants? They all dried out. Look, you've been harming human that much. Let's do it there for him. That's very nice of you. However, that will just be useless. This is the punishment that Mother Nature has given to humans. Your spirits could do absolutely nothing to stop it or to protect you from it. Oh, my dear little human, we had a wonderful time, didn't we? We didn't need to care about environment, didn't need to care about anything except for our money. Oh, are you regretting? My apologies, but it's way too late by now. Your faults cannot be forgiven anymore. But thanks anyway for helping me all the time. Uh-oh, time's up. Bye-bye.
Âm nhạc đâu? Âm nhạc bị làm sao ấy?
After human extinction, smoke was covering every corner of the earth. But What it didn't expect was that trees grew up on themselves. More and more trees go back to earth over the years. Factories without human stopped working. No more production, no more burning. Smoke became thinner in the air and then disappeared. Thanks